Now there are a lot of questions regarding the different documents which require, and students are asking to explain the documents which require for NIFT counseling. So we have made a video to explain you which all documents required and from where you can get, and I hope you already have or you will make it, and these documents should be with you for your NIFT counseling 2020. So for bachelors of design students, you need 10th certificate, and I think everybody have their 10th certificate. Self-attested copy of mark sheet and certificate of having passed any of the following 10+2 equivalent examination for the admission in B Design. So you need 10th certificate from the board from which he passed the high school secondary examination for date of birth. So date of birth, whatever date of birth will be mentioned in your 10th certificate, that will be valid, and that only NIFT will consider that as a final date of birth. So there is no changes or any kind of request will be accepted. That will be your final date of birth. Whatever you have mentioned in your 10th certificate, that NIFT will consider as a final date of birth. So 10th certificate is the first document which you require. Second thing is, which is very important, you need 12th certificate for Bachelor of Design. So I think you all have your 10th certificate, 12th. So you need Xerox, and you have to self-attest that you need. So 12th certificate or a pass grade in senior secondary school examination conducted by the National Open School with a minimum of 5 subjects, or 3 or 4 year diploma by AICTE or State Board of Technical Education, General Certificate Education. So these are basically 12th or any 12th equivalent exam certificate you need for your admission counseling. Similar, Bachelor of Fashion Technology, you need self-attested copy of mark sheet and certificate of having passed any of the following 10+2 or equivalent examination with the subject physics, chemistry, math for admission in BF Tech. The 10+2 level examination in the 10+2 pattern of the examination of any recognized Central State Board of Secondary Examination, New Delhi, physics, chemistry and mathematics. So I think you need 12th for BF Tech. Also you need 12th certificate, where mark sheet and certificate you need, and physics, chemistry and math. I think these things you already know from the admission form when you have filled. Since that time you know and you are aware. So yes, so for Masters of Design, M Design, undergraduate degree you need from any recognized board, university or NIFT, NID certificate in UG, self-attested copy of 1, 2 and 3 third year graduation mark sheet, self-attested copy of final year appearing certificate. Masters of Fashion Management, similar you also need Masters of Fashion Technology, you also need BF Tech from National Institute of Fashion Technology, or BE Tech from any institute, university recognized by law in India, self-attested. And now, undertaking of the candidate seeking provisional admission, undertaking of the student as per provision anti-ragging, medical fitness certificate in prescribed format, form for the children ward of NRI. So now this is the academic fee section. You need 1,52,850 rupees, and this is semester fee. I think lot of students, they have asked in our previous video whether this is for 1 year or one. This is just one semester fee. This is one semester fee. NRI 8,41,900 rupees, furnished Bangalore, Chennai, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Raebareli and Srinagar. And 5,96,300 rupees for furnished Patna, Kangra, Bhopal, Kannur, Shillong, Jodhpur, Bhubaneswar and Panchkula. The fee should be kept ready to be submitted through online in favor of NIFT head office, payable at New Delhi. The bank detail is appended below. So this is the bank detail, you can see here. Alright, so and email ID is also here. If you need any detail or any problem, any issue is there, you can contact on this email. Now PWD candidates, so you need to obtain the certificate, alright, for your physical disability. So criteria here, you can see these criteria, right? And there are different programs, so you have to, based on disability, NIFT will give you the program where you can. So the fashion management technology, so this here. Now for OBC, general requirement, manual design, PWD candidate apply with disability issued by, yes, so same, yes, it's the same thing. Now OBC non-creamy category candidate applying under the quota would have to substantial the caste non-creamy requirement. Candidate applying under the quota shall produce a caste certificate from the competent authority certifying that they belong to the non-creamy layer. So this certificate you have to do, the date of issue OBC certificate should be 1st April 2019 or later. Scheduled caste, so if you have certificate already, if you have certificate which is issued after 1st April 2019, you can use for caste certificate. Economically weaker section, 10% seat is reserved, and benefit of reservation under general areas can be availed upon production of any valid income and asset certificate issued by a competent authority for the year 2021. District magistrate, so these are the list from where you can get your EWS certificate. District magistrate, additional district magistrate, DM, ADM, collector, deputy commissioner, additional deputy commissioner, first class magistrate, subdivisional SDO also you can get, and taluk magistrate, that means your circle officer also can give, executive magistrate, extra assistant commissioner, chief Pondicherry. So these are a subdivisional SDO office of the area where, so yeah, you can easily you can make these certificate, and I think most of you are already having this certificate because we have posted many times. We have posted, we have made video, and we have posted the format also, we have posted, and we said these things you need for your counseling. State domicile, the candidate would be determined to be domicile of a state which the candidate has completed his or her class 12th examination, graduation, qualifying degree. So yeah, so this is children and ward of NRI. NRI seats. So documents required for admission under NRI undertaking, and photocopy of passport, NRI fee, all other relevant certificates. So this required for NRI. Now this is the formats of disability certificate. So there are different format based on disability. So you can, based on the disability, these format can be used for the Divyang quota. So this is for the format of EWS certificate. This is the format for EWS certificate. This you can use, and you can make income covered all sources, salary, agriculture, business, profession, etc. The term. Now this is necessary only candidate seeking provisional admission to be submitted at the time of counseling. So for the candidate seeking provisional admission, so if you don't have any the particular document, and at the moment you don't have, but you can you are expecting it is your result or some issue you have, or you need some more time, so then this is the format which you have to use. You have to make this, and 10 rupees non-judicial stamp paper you need. You have to type this is for provisional admission, and still you can take admission. So but you have to submit all your documents. All right, submit mark sheet, certificate by, see the time is also here, it is mentioned 38 September, your last date. You have to submit your document, otherwise your provisional admission shall stand cancelled without any further notice. So if you don't have certificate, still you can take admission, but after 38 September 2020 your admission will be cancelled. So this is the form, and now this is undertaking for this student as per provision of anti-ragging. So this is anti-ragging. You need to take print out, right, and sign, witness also your mother, father, guardian. So this is the for candidate statement of declaration, name. So these all form you have to medical. This is the fitness form, signed in my presence, medical officer stamp. So this also you have to fill. Fitness, NRI word. So I think so whole the document already I have explained. So good luck everyone. We will be posting new videos related to NIFT counseling. So if you want to get notification, you press the bell icon button so that you will get each time whenever we will be uploading new video related to NIFT counseling 2020, you will get the notification in your YouTube app. So this is very important. Follow us and press the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.